Welcome to Math with Sowmya. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. We are doing now criteria of similarity of triangles. Now we move to the similarity of triangle. So we were just doing the BPT. Suppose if we have any two triangles which is not necessary to be of the same size, and suppose I shall call it as ABC and DEF, and if I see any two angles of these are equal, if two angles are equal, obviously the third angle must be equal by angle sum property of the triangle. So I can say now on proving, you people are already aware of congruency, so this is easy for you. And triangle DEF, angle A is equal to angle D and angle B is equal to angle E. Therefore, triangle ABC similar to triangle DEF by AA similarity or AA criteria we can see. So, if two triangles are similar, their corresponding sides are proportional. That means AB by DE will be equal to BC by EF, and which is also equal to AC by DF. Similarly, we can even prove by SSS, if three sides are proportional, then also we can say the two triangles are similar. Then obviously their corresponding angles are equal. Even we can go by SAS, two sides and included angle. Two sides are similar and included angle is equal. Then also we can prove the similarity. So in similarity we can even take the base, not in the BPT. Now we will see some more sums regarding this particular similarity. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. We have taken a sum which is dealing with similar triangles. This is NCERT. Example 7 I have taken. A girl of height 90 cm is walking away from the base of the lamp post. So, let AB be the lamp post. So, I will take let AB be the lamp post and AB is given to be 3.6 meter. Height of girl, suppose let the girl be CD, which is 90 centimeter, convert it into meter because everything is in the meter, which will be 0.9 meter. This is most important. Now, she is moving away from the lamppost, that means from B. So, suppose this is the lamppost, a girl is moving away. So, if I call this is AB, and suppose this one if I call CD, then we can join this to find the shadow after 4 seconds. So, she has walked the distance of BD. So, I can say here, the girl walked the distance BD in 4 seconds with speed which is equal to 1.2 meter per second. So, we have already speed and the time. So, what is BD? The distance is nothing but speed into time. So, take 1.2 into 4, which is nothing but 4.8 meter. So, we got all the required thing which I am putting it here. AB we got which is 3.6 meter and CD we got which is 0.9 meter and BD that also we got which is 4.8 meter. What we have to find? We have to find the shadow which is X. So, I shall take let DE the length of shadow be X. Now, it is simple. We just go by the similarity and prove the rest of the part here. So, what all we take here? We take the bigger triangle, that is triangle ABE. So, in triangle ABE, which is the bigger triangle, and triangle CDE. In both the cases, The height of the lamp post, it will be always perpendicular. A girl standing is also a perpendicular. So now we can take in these two cases, angle B is equal to angle D and E is the common angle for both of them. This is equal to 90 degree and angle E is equal to angle E, which is common. Therefore, triangle ABE is similar to triangle CDE by AA similarity. Now, it is easy. We'll take the sides. Proportional base we know. Both the bases we know. So, I can write AB by CD, which is equal to BE by DE. What is BE? BE is nothing but BD plus DE. So, we shall write it AB by CD is equal to BD plus DE divided by DE. Now, simple, we have to just substitute the things here. So, on substituting, the rest will be easy. So, AB we know it is given 3.6. CD we know which is given 0.9. BD is also given 4.8. DE we have taken it as X. Now this will become 36 by 9 which is 4.8 plus X by X we are going to get, this will go 9 4s. Now what is left out for us? So now continuing from this step, this is 4 is equal to 4.8 plus X divided by X. Cross multiplication, 4x is equal to 4.8 plus X. Taking X on the other side, this will be 4.8. 3x is equal to 4.8, which implies X is nothing but 4.8 by 3. 3 ones are 6. So, which implies X is 1.6 meter, which is nothing but the DE. So, we can say that the length of the shadow of a girl is 1.6 meter. This is most important, but also the simple sum, this one.
If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon.
Okay, now we have taken one more NCERT sum, which is from NCERT exercise 6.3 question 4. You can see I have already drawn the picture because this first picture is given. So in this given, they have given already QR by QS is equal to QT by PR is given and angle 1 and 2 are equal. You have to show that triangle PQS and triangle TQR are similar. So, I just took the three individual triangle here. First one you can see this smaller, first one PQS. Then I have taken this PQR, this particular one where this will be 2 for me. And this one TQR, the last bigger triangle I have taken. I just separated the triangles here. Now, I am just going to take here in triangle, first triangle, I just pick PQR, this particular triangle. So, you people can see. First, I took this particular triangle. And the next one is this dark blue one. This particular one which I have taken now, and the last one is this bigger one, this bigger triangle. Now in triangle I have taken this middle one which is PQR. In triangle PQR we have been given, so this is the triangle, angle 1 is equal to angle 2 is given. Obviously if the two angles are equal, their opposite sides are equal. So, I can say PQ is equal to PR, sides opposite to equal angles. So, hence they are also equal here, we just proved. So, sides opposite to equal angle, so hence they are equal. Now, also what we have been given, this one, QR by QS, QR by QS, which is equal to QT by PR. So, QR by QS is equal to QT by PR. QT by PR is given to us. So, this one also I shall put given. Now, I can just write this QR by QS is equal to QT by PQ, because from 1 I can say PQ and PR are equal here. So, I shall say here from 1 and call it as equation 2 here. Now, I shall take the two triangles which is required for me, PQS and TQR. So, now let us take in triangle PQS and triangle TQR. So, in these two triangles, now this much I am having here. I just continue for this. So, in these two triangles, PQS, this one and TQR, in these two, angle 1 and angle 1 are equal here. So, 1 is equal to 1 I can say, which is nothing but PQS is equal to TQR, which is nothing but angle 1. So, they are equal. And just now we got this here, QR by QS, that means this by this is equal to QT by PQ. So, QR by QS is equal to QT by PQ. So, by SAS, we can easily prove. So, therefore, triangle PQS is similar to triangle TQR by SAS similarity. That is the end of this question. It was easy also.
Thanks for watching. For latest updates, don't forget to subscribe. If you have any particular sum to be solved, put it in the comment box. I try to make a video on that.